Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce John Lukas, who's going to be talking on his Okapi project. John has had a long background in conservation. For 30 years, he was the managing director at White Oak Conservation Center, and during that time, he initiated several important conservation programs. One of them was the International Rhino Foundation, where I got to know John. John has been president of IRF for 15 years. I first met him around, I think, 1993 in Zimbabwe, when John was starting up a black rhino reinforcement program for the North American zoos, and had a couple of rhinos that needed to be overnighted in Harare and ended up in my front drive for a night. 12 years ago, approximately, John was a co-founder of WCN, so he's been intimately associated with this magnificent program for some time. And regarding the talk now, John started his project, a Okapi project in the Congo in around 1987. Obviously, I'm going to let John talk about that. My only comment on that is it would be great to see John standing next to some of his pygmy colleagues.
Thank you, Raul. Make sure I get here. Now we're going to go to the Congo, which is a really different place. This is the third largest country in Africa, Democratic Republic of the Congo. It contains the second largest river system on Earth, the Congo River Basin. And our project is located, I don't have a pointer, in the upper northeast corner of the Congo, north where the P is in Republic. Sorry, folks. The Congo contains 68% of the tropical biome of Africa, 13% of the tropical rainforest cover of the world, and it has over 100 billion tons of carbon stored in its trees. So it's a very important resource for the entire planet. A lot of oxygen we breathe is generated in those trees. It's also the most biodiverse country in Africa. 30% of the species are endemic, which means only found in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. The okapi is one of them, but there's many other species, bonobo chimpanzees, Congo peafowl, lots of different insects and birds. It's just a phenomenal array of species that are found in this really remarkable forest. The okapi was discovered by Western science in 1901, the last animal discovered by modern science. Harry Johnstone was the governor of Uganda. He drew this picture from a skin that came out of the Congo from the Ituri forest, sent it to London, and that's when the okapi